Hey, how's it going, everybody? Or here, 3x3 Mars Hydro setup with a TSW 2000. Hey, happy 420. I was up early going to the 420 sunrise service, feeling good. Anyways, we've got 5 plants in here. Well, not including this 1 gallon and the little solo cup. Up in the front, we've got the Dream Rider in the middle. Blue Dreams are on the outside edges. That's a Blue Dream back here. That's an American Gangster. And this is a Caribbean Dream. Each of these plants has their own characteristics, of course, but the Blue Dreams, it's filling in pretty nice, actually. Let's see, we're on day 6 of week 9, I believe, yeah, or day 5. Let me take a quick look here. Let me pause this. All right, just check my book. We're day 6 of week 9, so they're getting there, getting a little bit fade. Notice this one here. Let me tell you about this plant, right? This Caribbean Dream. Anybody out there that's growing it, I know a couple people that have. That is one greasy mofo right there. I rub my hands around that, and I mean, it's like just, it's really, really smelly. Also, I don't have a good smeller, but I'll tell you what, that thing will. A lot of gas, a lot of gassy smell. All right, I'm going to head out to the cat box grow, and we got a totem pole. More of a trident, 3-pronged whatever frog gig with a middle prong of whatever, or it's flipping me off, one of the two. So we'll take a look on the cat box, but hopefully everybody's having a great time. I am. And running Mars Hydro TSW 2000, got a dual hose AC that's running a lot, and a 3x3 Mars Hydro tent. So one last look here. We'll take a look at the colas, the colitas. Yeah, they're starting to frost up. They're not there yet. That's an American Gangster. Really liking this Caribbean Dream. Starting to fatten up. This Blue Dream is a beautiful plant, as well as this one here. So there you have it. And or grows here. So hopefully everybody's having a great time. We'll see you later. It's beautiful out, by the way. It's only going to be 80 degrees. Crazy, crazy temperatures over here. One day it'll be high of like 68 or so, and 10 days prior to that it was 102 degrees. So yeah, it's warm. It's warm. So we'll see you out at the cat box, and have a great day. Check you out there. All right, here we are out at the cat box, looking nice. Let's take a look here. All right, on both sides of this Caribbean Dream, we've got an American Gangster here that I've been using the garden staples that work quite nicely. So she's spread out pretty good. A miniature though, a miniature. And this is just a, look at that. And right here, filling in though. And look at this little one here. I've got her pinned down also. And then I have a trifoliate starting to frost up a bit. Let me get out of the light here. Yeah. 3 leaves. A 3-leafer. All right, there you have it. Frogs are happy. Rained a couple days ago. Well, it rained the night before last. Yeah. Hey, they're pretty calm over here. All right, have a great day, guys. Or grows Arizona. Later. 420.